Hi there. Chapter 9 is our last tutorial. Yay. And it focuses on business math, which is something most of us can kind of understand because it has to do with money and we're used to handling money. So there's several concepts in this chapter, but we're going to focus on the ones that usually give people a harder time. So the first one is saying, okay, what's the retail price of a prescription using the average wholesale price, which is given to you in the problem, plus the professional fee. So if we look at number 1, Verapamil SR tablets number 30, the average wholesale price for 100 of those is $120.85. So you can guess that at $100 or 100 tablets costing $120.85, each tablet is going to be a little bit more than $1. So if we're going to do the math, let's do 120.85 divided by 100. 120.85 divided by 100 equals about $1.21 per pill. Okay? And we're giving them 30 pills. So 121 per pill, 30 pills. $36.30. Now, that's the average wholesale price, but we've got to add the professional fee, sometimes called the dispensing fee. It's the same thing. So this says if it's less than $20, there's a $4 fee. If it's $20.01 to $50, there's a $5 fee. Greater than $50.01, a $6 fee. So our total is $36.30. So that is in between $20 and $50. So we're going to use the $5 fee. So when we add the $5 fee on, we're going to end up with $41.30. So that's the retail price of this drug. So let's go on to the next one. In this case, we're dispensing 100. It cost us $306.38 for 100. So our average wholesale price, and it's the same number. And then if it's greater than $50, it's a $6 dispensing fee. So we're going to do $306.38 plus the $6 dispensing fee. And that's going to be $312.38. Okay. The next one, Acebutolol, number 60. Average wholesale price for 100 is $121.51. So 121.51 divided by 100 equals 122 per pill, very similar to the first one. 60 pills. $73.20. That's more than $50. So we're going to add our dispensing fee, $79.20. Okay. The next one, lisinopril 10 milligrams, number 30, average wholesale price for 100 is $14.40. This one's going to be really cheap. $14.40 divided by 100 is 14 cents per pill. And we need 30 of them. Is $4.20, and less than $20 is a $4 dispensing fee. So it's $8.20 total. Now look at this one. ProAir HFA 8.5 grams, average wholesale price 8.5 grams. This is an inhaler. So you have to buy it as a unit of use, as an inhaler, instead of a cost. You can't do cost per spray. So $40.98 is the retail price. Actually, that should say AWP. $40.98. It's more than 20 but less than 50. Let me see that. So our dispensing fee is $5. So $45.98. Okay. And then this last one, Tramtrine with HCTZ 37.5/25. Average wholesale price for 100 is $12.10. Divided by 100. Is 12 cents per pill. And doesn't really tell us how many. Let's go with the whole 100 then. So $12.10 for the whole 100. If we go back to our professional fee, it was $4 if it was under 20. So that's $16.10. Okay. The next two problems are a little bit different. And we in class should have talked about average wholesale price or usual and customary. So this is you're going to have to do both ways to find out which one's actually cheaper. So 87% of the average wholesale price or 100% of usual and customary. So average wholesale price for this first drug So, and this is set up a little bit differently. It kind of gives you the retail price. So the first number, this is the average wholesale cost, or average wholesale price cost, and this is the usual and customary cost. So, and again, it's the same thing down here. So the average wholesale price, it's 87% of that. So $15.20 times 87% is going to be $13.22 plus the $3.50 dispensing fee. Okay, so let's see, 13.22. That's $16.72. If we use it this way, though, so right here is the usual and customary, which is already more than that before you even add the dispensing fee. So the cheapest way for this one is going to be by AWP. Looking at it this way, we've got again 87% of $24.80. Is $21.58 plus the $3.50 dispensing fee, and you can already tell that this in this case is going to be higher than this one. So this one, usual and customary, is cheaper, and it's enough to kind of just know the difference between the two. I wouldn't spend a whole lot of time thinking on this particular concept as a math problem, but just something for you to consider. So now, the next set of problems is talking about markup. And it's saying, okay, the pharmacy is charging a 50% markup and a $5 professional fee. So the first one's pretty simple. They're selling or they purchase the drug for $10. A 50% markup on $10 is $5 because that's 50% of 10, right? So it's going to be $15 plus the $5 fee. $20 will be the selling price on that particular drug. The next one, we've got $13.50 is what we purchased it for, and 50% markup. This one's not one you can usually do with your calculator. 0.5 is $6.75. That's 50% of $13.50. So $6.75 plus $13.50. It's going to be $20.25 with the 50% markup, plus the $5 fee, $25.25. Okay. So this one, all right, now we have to go back to our price per pill, because this one is saying, okay, they purchased metformin 1,000 milligrams for $50, 1,000 tablets. So $50 divided by 1,000 tablets, it's going to be 5 cents per tablet. Okay, and we want to dispense 180. So 0.5 times 180 is $9. Times 50%, that's $4.50 added to the $9. It's $13.50 with the markup, and then the professional fee of $5 is $18.50 for that prescription. Okay, this one, we purchased 30 tablets for $99. We're dispensing 30 tablets, so $99 times 50% markup. The 50% is $56.25 plus 99. $155.25 plus the $5 fee, $160.25. All right. And we are at the final page of the final tutorial. Yay! Okay. So the pharmacy purchases 100 tablets of atenolol, 25 for $10, and is dispensing 30 tablets. So $10 divided by 100 tablets is 10 cents per tab. Times 30 equals $3. Times the 50% is going to be $4.50 plus the $5 fee, $9.50. Sorry, that ran over that way. Okay, and finally, the last few are a piece of cake. We've done all this now. We're in the home stretch. So we've got the purchase price for these items and then a 75% markup. So $25.50 times 75%. I'm going to move down here. So $25.50 times 75% equals $19.13. So this is the markup. So we're going to add this back to that. $44.63 when you round. Okay, the next one, we've purchased it for $118.70 times 75%. It's $80 or $89.03. Add that back to that. And that's 207.73. The next one's 195.20 times 75%. It's 146.40. Add that back to that. Final sale is $341.60. And finally, $162.50 times 75%. $121.88. Add that back to that. $284.34, give or take, depending on your rounding. And that's it, guys. We're done. Hope you enjoyed the tutorials. Hope they helped you out. And hope you have a great holiday. Bye.